Hi, I'm Redneck Alex, y'all, and I'm gonna do another drinking fucking video for you. I'm gonna be drinking Ford Loko. I'm gonna be drinking it because, one, I love America, and two, America loves me, and I can drink whatever the fuck I fucking want. So, I guess, here we go. This is a mental preparation. Alright, here we go. I did it. I finished the Ford Loko. Oh my god. Shotgun and it was so hard. Oh man. Guys, I don't recommend you. Oh my fucking god. I am a fucking god. Anyways, I'll tell you one thing. You should never get a Ford. Wanna know why? There's multiple reasons. They're overpriced pieces of shit. Ford spelled back, or if you spell Ford backwards, it's driver returned on foot. You know, what can you get out of Chevy? Nothing. Nothing. There ain't nothing wrong with Chevy. Except the fact that you can tow fat bitches with it, and there ain't nothing wrong with that. The only good thing about a Ford is the people paying you to tow it. Another thing, I made my son Ford so he wouldn't leave the driveway. I don't have anything good to say about Ford. I'll tell you what, Ram's got the Hemi. Chevy's got the babes. I don't know what else to say. You want pussy or you want dick? If you want dick, get a Ford. Ain't nothing gayer than a Ford. So, let me tell you something. I don't recommend anyone try to shotgun one of these. That was extremely painful, extremely hard, and I also just ate a whole bunch of Qdoba. It didn't help. But I'll tell you what, these are real good to drink. Like, casually. Like, look, I just cracked another one, and I'm still drinking. But, that's me. That's what I do. I want to be the best, and I will be the best, because I'm in America. And I am an American. It's American, not American. If you can't get that through your head, then you're an American.